You want to learn how to manipulate and customize the fabric fold for your graphic design? Then this video is for you. So keep watching till the end. But maybe you don't know what fabric fold is or what it is used for. Then check out the end screen also in my channel and get up to date. So we'll be making use of Photoshop today to do a lot of fabric fold patterns and colors that we can be able to use in our design. You can also check my video on how to apply these foldings in your designs. So let's bump into the screen right away and get to work. So here is my Photoshop already open. So, and the first thing we have to do is to bring the already made fabric fold, which we have already captured in the other video we did some other time. So if you want to learn how to capture a very nice fabric fold for your designs, so consider checking those videos and get up to date. So this is some of the fabric we'll be using. So for this, so we'll be making use of black, this black one. So if you want something lighter, then you can choose white or light colored fabric. So we're going to click on edit and then select puppet warp over here. So with this puppet warp, we'll be able to change the conformation and foldings in this fabric. So we see a kind of mesh over the fabric. So this is what we're going to use to alter the fold pattern on this fabric right now. So you just have to select different points on it using the mouse and then drag those points to achieve new fold. So we click on different points as possible and then make adjustment. So the software says you can select points that are too close to each other. So you have to give some spaces and now space between those points. So it's quite a long process, but it's fun. So just continue doing it till you get what you want. So we're able to get this at the end. But if you think the folds are okay, you don't need to do this distortion and conformation thing, but you just only need to change the colors. Then it can only just go straight to adjustments right here and click color balance. So you move these colors to achieve what you want. You also need to go to saturation here to increase the intensity. So as simple as that. So you might also need to desaturate if the colors aren't going well, especially some dark colors that might not tend to show. So yet there's another way you can do this, which is a little bit complex but more efficient. You can even use this method to do some other cool things in graphic design. So once we paste the fabric fold right here, so we go to image, then adjustments, and then desaturate. So we do this to reduce the effect. So we do this to reduce the effect of this black on the new color we want to get. So if you're using any other dark colors, you might need to desaturate. But if you're using light colors, I don't think you might need to do that. So after that, we just move to filter and then blur and click on Gaussian blur. So we tune it to the extent that we can still see the details on the cloth, not too much and not too small. So once we're done, we click on save. So we're saving as PSD, that's a Photoshop file, so we'll be able and easily edit it next time we want to work on it. So we save it somewhere in our computer, maybe the desktop. So we choose desktop and we save. So now we're using the rectangle tool to cover the area of this fabric with the color of our choice. So we draw a rectangle tool over the fabric and then color it with any color of our choice, and then convert immediately to smart object. So we're converting it to smart object so that it'll be easily editable and adjustable. So once we're done with that, we'll now move to filter and then distort. So click on distort and click displace. So the default scale here is 10:10. So, and that's what we normally use. So we just click OK. So now you can locate where you have saved the fabric fold. So we saved our own in the desktop. So locate where you saved it, select it, and click open. So now we see nothing happen much until you go to the blend mode of the top layer. So that's for the rectangle tool. So we'll click the blend mode right here. Click on it and select soft light or overlay. So once we click on that, it will become a little bit transparent and try, cast those foldings on that rectangle shape. So we have to do it this way. So either of them can go. Okay. So you can also use this method to embed an image or object on fabric. So let me show you what I mean. So something like this, want to put this logo right on this fabric right here. So the same method applies, the same distortion, the same blend mode. So it's just pretty simple. Just get them. It's a very nice method. So this is how to manipulate and customize your fabric folds for designs. So if you want to learn more about fabric folds, how to use them and how to apply them, so make sure you check out my videos in my channel. Hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.